What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we finally got the shitbox taillights. Can you believe it? I've been talking about these freaking taillights for like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks now. I'm like, man, we're gonna get taillights for the car, and then they never freaking came. But today, finally, they came. So let's take this box right here. We'll go do it over here on the shit box. We're gonna cut this bad boy open with one hand while we hold y'all in the other. Watch, it's gonna go right into my leg there. Woo! See it? All right. I'm sure there's gonna be some more boxes. Oh, never mind. They came legitimate. You saw me unbox it, so I haven't looked at them. Oh my God! They gave me 2 bulbs. For real? How lucky am I? 2 bulbs, guys. Big shout out to car sponsors though, for sure, because they worked with SPEC-D and myself to get these at a small discount. Also, man, they were probably harassing SPEC-D a lot to get them shipped because they're having some, I don't know, COVID-19 like shipping problems. Nobody gives a shit though. But yeah, so big shout out to car sponsors and SPEC-D for getting these out to me. I know that this is an uncertain time and all that stuff. All right, got the pink stuff out, and here we go. Oh man, I was like, I felt like it was broken. That would have been terrible. So we're just gonna take one. Hopefully it's the right one. Out of the package. Not gonna let y'all see it. Oh, these are gonna look so good. So that's what they look like. We're not gonna unwrap them probably until we get them completely installed. And it looks like they just use the factory pieces. They're pretty, I mean, they're pretty cheap. They're only like 80 bucks or something. But look at the difference in that. Awesome, man. These are gonna be sick. So we gotta take a quick picture, send it to car sponsors showing that we received it, so we can get our little cash back action going on. We're gonna have to move the 2 lights, the new ones. We're gonna have to take these out. So we're gonna move the sub box out of the way. We gotta take this and flip down the seat. So we're gonna have to go like this and like this. We're gonna get these out the way, throw them right on the Challenger. So we are going to Adam & Son Auto Plaza tomorrow for our little Cars and Coffee that we're co-hosting with them. So that should be pretty fun. But we want to have the taillights in this car by tomorrow or by tonight, so we can make sure that we take the car down there looking just as good as she can look for a piece of shit. Put y'all right there for a minute while we move this thing out of the way. All right, so now y'all get to see the real size of this thing, man. Fucking gigantic. 1 wire. Oh, so I put a red zip tie on the positive wire, so I know. But this is how we usually do this, like every time. We just take it and we just move it over just a hair. Jesus. And then we just flip it. That's literally how we do that every time. We just flip it out of the way. And we can open that up. Jesus. So we're gonna have to move both amps out of the way. Maybe not. Well, yeah, we might have to move all the amps out of the way. It's because there's a bolt right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. There's a bolt right here. We might have to do a little bit of rewiring here too, because for some reason some shit ain't working. But other side's much easier. You just take that out, and then you just take out this thing and take out the light plates, and then you take out the taillights. So it should be pretty simple. We'll get you updated once we get some stuff out of the way and get these old ones out. taillights. So we accidentally broke one taillight, taking it out, because this corner bolt right here, you have to do it. Jeez, you can't even see it. You have to get all the way in there, and you have to use this little hole right there to get it out. Well, I dropped the nut anyway, so that sucks. But I thought this was just like a little grommet or something. It was there, and so I tried to pop it out, and it cracked the corner of the taillight right here. I just tried to pop it out, and it literally just went split like halfway. So after when I got the bolt off, I just broke it anyway. So because it's already busted. But as you can see, we're using all LEDs, and here's our backup camera wire and all our amps and shit. So we're just gonna have to find another nut for this one. It didn't come with any, so Tasha's over here talking to my mom, so we might take a break from this real quick. We gotta find us, I mean, I'm sure that 2 nuts will handle it, because it's right here and right here, so it'll pretty much hold it on here. So glad these came with new seals though. So yeah, I don't know, insanity, man. So that's light number 1. We already broke something. Gee, how convenient. But pretty much expected to break at least one of them. I really wanted to sell them too, save the box and the packing material and everything over there. So we'll get out light number 2, see if that's any easier. It looks like it's gonna be even harder, because if you can't see what I'm talking about, like there's this whole shit in the way right there. So you can't even get that other bolt. Where else could you get that bolt from? Nowhere. You have to do it from in there. So that one's gotta be like in the wheel well almost. No. There's no way. Yeah, I don't know. So we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out when we get them both out, and we'll kind of give you a good update. So as expected, in Twisted Boost Media fashion, we just broke the shit. So this side has an actual grommet where that goes, right? Not a nut. And you can't even reach it. Like, it's way in there. You see it? Right there. Jesus, it's so hard to see. Yeah, you can't really tell. But we're just gonna clean this side up. We already cleaned this side up a little bit so the seal gets on there good. And we're just gonna throw these new taillights in. I mean, how hard can the installation be? As long as you don't break them. So with the discount, I mean, I already paid $60 for these, so it's a pretty good option for, you know, if you want a different look. Now we're just gonna check them out, see where we go. So I recruited Tasha to try to get the little bolt in there. Y'all can see, you gotta go all the way in there on that very corner. It's like right over here. Here on this one, you can reach through the wall and get it, but over there, you can't. There's just a grommet, but they didn't come with like a stud to be able to put on there to just push it through the grommet so it sticks out. The fitment isn't quite perfect. It's a little bit right here, but then again, this bumper is probably broke, but it looks really, really good. She's got a little ratchet wrench in there now. That was my initial thing. Just tape it to a ratchet wrench so it doesn't fall. I mean, we're probably gonna end up losing another one. I already lost 2. It's definitely a beer drinking operation. Man, it's definitely a bigger job than It's definitely a bigger job than I anticipated it to be. Did you? Oh man, I thought you got it.
It's just this won't angle in there.
All right, let me see. Let me try. I'm just gonna fucking send it.
What? It's not gonna lose it?
I mean, I already lost 2.
Exactly. Sorry.
I would have been honestly kind of upset if it got scratched. Like, apparently, I'm not allowed to touch it now. Already washed both the cars for the event tomorrow. We're gonna be raffling off or giving away some stuff. A couple of flags, some signs. What else? What else? Oh, giving away free stickers just from the old inventory stuff. So should be pretty fun. Still ain't done. All right, we'll let you know when we finally get it. So there's no possible way that I could have gotten this. So Tasha actually is still able to go grab back there. So we got it to be at least tight enough to where it's not sticking out. Are you tight? Are you actually wrenching on it?
No, babe, I'm trying to find it first. But you keep getting in my way.
So like a 10-minute job changing taillights, like on a pickup truck, this would have taken like literally 10 minutes, like on this thing. But here, yeah, where you gotta go to get to the bolts and not drop them, they literally go like inside the body here somewhere. So, and that side's like impossible to do. If you can't find it, fuck it. Whatever. We'll just send it.
Came on. Oh, there, now you, oh. The one, your passenger side one's on, not your driver's side. Now that white one's on, but that red one's on.
Oh, damn it.
Then hook the shit up.
No. So,
Oh.
well, now we have white blinkers, right? It's supposed to be, now I know why they give you these. Because your factory taillight lens has a fucking amber lens. So, I have white LEDs in there because it has the amber lens, and the factory bulbs are white too because it's got the amber lens. That's why they give you these. I'm not changing them. This shit looks dope.
Yeah, but why is that on? That's not.
Because this fuse always blows, so I just leave it out. It's only the running lights, because look, watch. So this one works, right?
Yep.
That one works.
Nope.
Hold on.
Now your driver's side still don't work.
But the passenger one does, right?
Yeah.
And that's the reverse lights.
Well, only your passenger side reverse light comes on.
Right. Brakes?
Just the passenger side.
But the blinker works.
I'm fucking with you. Those other two lights did work.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it's just the.
No, I actually need to know for sure.
Oh.
The blinker works?
This one does, yep. That works.
Reverse?
Yep.
Both?
Yep.
Brake?
Yep.
Okay, so the fuse that blows, the only light that doesn't work on here is the actual running light when you turn your lights on at night. But brakes, blinker, reverse, everything works. 4 ways. People sending messages. Yeah, I think they came out really, really good. Let's close this and look at it. What? Glass brakes?
No, your fucking taillight brakes.
Oh yeah. That looks. Tell me that doesn't look a lot better.
It doesn't look a lot better.
Thanks.
You told me to tell you
Do a
that.
thumbnail real quick, like. Oh, dude. Like we'll do like a Chris Rudnick fucking thumbnail. I'm really happy with the way that came out. Thank you for helping, and thank you car sponsors and SPEC-D Tuning for hooking me up with some more cool lights. I always wanted like the smoke ones because the other ones just, the red and the orange just pops so much on the freaking black car. Now the whole back end's blacked out. Now we just gotta find some headlights when they are, you know, never in stock. It's hard to get them, so. Big camera, I guess. Thank you. Well, that's alright. Sucks for you then. So, we're gonna throw the sub box back in the trunk and call it a day. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching the video today. Probably be a short one, like 8 minutes or so. But we had fun and not fun installing these freaking taillights. It's a pain in the ass. But we hope you subscribe to the channel, like the video, check out our Facebook and our Instagram, same name at Twisted Boost Media. Tomorrow we're gonna be going to our event at Adam and Son. Dang, it looks so blacked out right now. It's awesome. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you all have a fantastic night.